Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, customer experience platforms needs to be flexible, scalable, and intelligent. Pegasystems CX is known for its complexity and power. Let's break it down. Pegasystems CX helps businesses manage customer interactions, automate workflows, and deliver personalized experiences across channels. Its AI-driven decisioning, case management, and analytics give teams real-time insights to improve service and engagement. While it's complex to set up, its flexibility and depth make it ideal for large enterprises that need advanced customization and process automation. Pegasystems CX helps organizations deliver smarter, more efficient, and highly personalized customer experiences. If you want a powerful customer experience platform in 2025, Pegasystems CX gives you control, insights, and advanced automation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.